Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making sweet chili sauce. Let me tell you what inspired this recipe. I bought this particular sweet chili sauce a while ago, and since then when I wanted to replace it, I couldn't find this exact one, so I started to make my own. So these are all the ingredients we're adding together. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box. Just add everything together like this, then give it a thorough mix. If you don't have white vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Give it a mix and then turn on the heat. Cook it on low heat, and when it starts boiling, you can now mix your cornstarch with water to get your cornstarch slurry. This is to thicken it and bring it together. And the sugar, if you don't want that much sugar, you can always reduce it. And if you want more sweet chili sauce, you can always increase the recipes. And let me warn you, this particular sweet chili sauce was so spicy, so instead of using 1.5 tablespoons, you can reduce it to like 1, so that the spice will be minimal. But if you don't mind, like myself, you can leave it at 1.5 tablespoons, or you can add more. You can make it 2 tablespoons for this recipe. So you give it a stir and let it thicken. When it starts thickening like this, then it's ready and you can bring it down. You can also be generous with your garlic. It really takes it to a different level. See how thick it is. I use tomato stock because I made ketchup and tomato paste before this video. So the water I used in boiling the tomatoes, I used it here. But if you don't have that, you can use 1 cup of water to make your recipe instead of using half cup of tomato stock and half cup of water. You can just use 1 cup of water instead. So this is it now. When it cools down, you can store it in an airtight container. I stored mine in my formal sweet chili sauce bottle and put it in your fridge. It can last as long as you want. For the recipe of homemade tomatoes and ketchup, I'll drop it and you'll see it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.